Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll know suspension system. Suspension system, parts name and function. What happens when the suspension is bad? How to check the suspension system. Hub bearing checking details. If you are a driver, mechanic, or car lover, watch this video at the end. What is the suspension system? The suspension system is an important part of the car. It works between the body and the wheel of the car. And its main function? Exploiting street congestion, keep the car in balance, driving comfort, maintain stability when taking the corner. In simple terms, it is impossible to drive without a suspension system. The parts name and function of suspension system, 3 minutes. Shock absorber. Absorbs the impact of the road. Reduced car bounce. Keep the car stable. Spring, coil, leaf spring. Carrying the weight of the car. Shock absorber support. Control arm. Wheel and body connect. Wheel alignment is fixed. It's a ball joint. Advantages of wheel rotation. Steering smooth. Stabilizer link. Link rod. Reduces body roll when taking corner. A bush rubber bush. Reduces noise and vibration. Hub and hub bearing. Helps the wheel rotate smoothly. Connecting wheel and axle. And what happens when the suspension is bad? If the suspension system is not correct, then it takes more bumps to drive. Steering shakes. The car is unstable. If you brake, the car will pull to one side. Tire will be unevenly damaged, and there will be cheating sounds from underbody. Ignore these problems. The other parts of the car were also quickly destroyed. How to check suspension system? Visual checking. Whether there is oil leak from shock absorber, whether or not bush is torn, whether the link rod is loose or not. Bounce test. Push one side of the car loudly. If left, bounce more. Shock absorber is bad. Road test. Speed breaker. Cheat noise in steering rotation. Brake vibration. And these are clear signs of suspension problems. Hub bearing checking. Signs of bad hub bearing. Snoring sound while moving. Speed increases sound. The sound changes when you turn. Steering or brake vibration. Checking method. A yard with car jack. Rotate the wheel by hand. If the sound comes, bearing is bad. Hold the wheel with both hands. If there is a bearing problem, hub bearing damaged, the wheel is also at risk of being locked. What happens when the hub bearing is ignored? Wheel jam? Axle damage? Brake disc damaged? Increased accident risk. Timely checking and replacement is very important. Ending and call to action. Friends, in today's video we found out suspension system. Parts name and work. Common problem. Checking method. Hub bearing checking. If the video is useful, like, share. Subscribe to channel.